Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Is English easy?
Yes, it is easy.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Where do you live?
I live in Canada.
Is Canada a nice city?
Yes, it is very nice.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am new.
What is your hobby?
I like reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
Do you work or study?
I study.
Is English important?
Yes, very important.
Are you tired?
No, I'm okay.
Do you like speaking English?
Yes, but I'm shy.
That's okay.
Thank you.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
Big family or small?
Big family.
Do you like your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, one brother.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, one sister.
Are you the oldest?
No, I'm the youngest.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I do.
Is English fun?
Yes, it is fun.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
Are you busy today?
No, I'm free.
Do you like talking?
Yes, I like talking.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I am friendly.
Do you smile a lot?
Yes.
Do you like English class?
Yes, I like it.
Is English hard?
No, not hard.
Do you practice every day?
Yes, a little.
That's good.
Thank you.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very nice teacher.
Are you confident?
A little.
Do you like learning words?
Yes, new words are fun.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Can you say nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you.
Very good.
Thank you.